So here's how I look at it. So I'm a neurosurgeon, you're a neurosurgeon. So we have stenting, and then we have shunting. And my general, the way that I think about this problem is shunting is suboptimal for the patient, I think, as a long-term treatment when you can stent, but it's the standard sort of safe way to go. And what I try to do in my general practice is to exhaust endovascular management, leaving shunting for the end, for this group of patients that fail other therapies or where we can't stent. But the problem, I think, in Fulminant IIH is you have to be sure that the treatment you're going to offer will lower their pressure sufficiently to make their vision better. Because if you stent them, if you stent them and then you put them, you subject them to dual antiplatelets, you better be certain that that's going to work, because if you got to shunt them and they're on aspirin and Plavix, that's a big problem.